Good evening, everyone, and thank you so much for being here with us tonight. Thank you so much for celebrating with Babaylanes. Babaylanes is 15th year, and we are so happy to be celebrating with each and everyone that's here tonight.
Congratulations, Babaylanes, sa lahat ng inyong mga tagumpay para sa advocacy. Sana ay mas marami pa kayong maabot na mga pangarap at matulungan sa mga darating na panahon.
Babaylanes was born from the passion of our LGBTQI mothers for advocacy. From there, the main goal has always been to replicate the UP Babaylan experience. At ang vision natin ay makapacitate yung lahat ng students from all schools and universities to lobby for their rights and fight against discrimination.
The broadest coalition of LGBTQI organizations across the country, which began in 1998. Babaylanes leads the development of campaigns for the passage of the SOGI-esque Equality Bill.
So here's to the remarkable achievements of the past 15 years and to many more years of effecting transformations and championing the rights of the LGBTQI community. Keep shining and keep inspiring. Happy 15th anniversary, Babaylanes. Mahal ko kayo. Mahal ko rin ang UP Babaylan.
So thank you all so much for being with us throughout the years. All our wins will always be shared with you. So hopefully we can have more collectively in the future. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
So for the past 15 years, what I can say is, with the help of our mothers present here today, talagang marami na tayong na-achieve. And I hope that all throughout the next 15, 30, 45, 60 years or more, ay patuloy tayo na maging isang family. Kasi, di ba, masaya yung family members mo by blood, tanggap ka, pero marami sa atin hindi ganon. Ito ang ating family of choice na sana ay dali natin hanggang sa tayo ay tumanda pa. Raise our glasses and toast to the past 15 years of Babaylan and to the glorious more years to come. Happy holidays, everyone, and again, happy 15th Babaylanes. Mas happy pag may equality.
Preparing for this night, naging joke na nga namin yung ang biggest announcement namin ay Babaylanes signing off. But as presented kanina, no, marami pang pangarap ang Babaylanes. Salamat at iniwala kayo sa Babaylanes at hopefully this night will renew that confidence and strengthen our shared beliefs and goals para sa pagtataguyod ng karapatan ng lahat. Yun lamang po, happy equality and please enjoy the rest of the night. Marami po tayong inumin.